Hey everyone, check out this sleek modern LED wall light designed to upgrade any room in your home. This minimalist 39-inch fixture features a stylish black finish that mounts vertically or horizontally. Enjoy soft, glare-free illumination while saving up to 85% on your electricity bills. Built to last for 50,000 hours, it offers reliable and energy-efficient lighting. Hardwired installation is quick and simple using the standard back plate. It is the perfect modern accent for your bathroom mirror, hallway, or living space. Elevate your home decor today with this stunning and versatile wall lamp. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.